Hi guys, I'm Georgia Beecham, and I'm going to be doing a quick basketball workout today. It's going to be quite. Some things are going to be for like advanced, but most of them are going to be for beginners. Because I suppose it's my first video, and you can really use any ball that's suitable for a basketball if you want to know how to really just do basket. And if you subscribe to this channel, then there's a video. I'm going to be doing a video of how to make the basketball hoop, so you can really play that with any balls. So yeah, well, let's get started then. So firstly, we're going to be doing very easy, just going to be passing the ball from that hand to that hand. I'm just going to move over here. It's very wet there because my mum has been doing gardening. So this is actually quite hard because you need to like keep your eye at the ball. But in a real game, when you like go like that, you can't look at the ball instead of looking around you. You need to be knowing how to do the ball like that and looking at the other players, obviously. So we're just going to be going 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2. I think it's 1, 2, not 1, 2, 3. Yeah, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1. I have no idea really. I'm not good at counting. So now we're going to do more action. So now we're just going to run. I'm really not sure if you have a like long bit of garden like mine. But if you do, that will be ideal. If you don't, maybe just like keep your eye on the ball and do it as fast as you can, okay? Walking up and then back if you can, okay? If you're just in your bedroom or something. I'm not sure. So if you can, just run up and down, keeping your eye on the ball, okay? Ready? Go. It doesn't matter if it escapes from you, you can just get it back. Especially when it's wet, it's very slippery. We're just going to do that a few more times now. Seriously, why is my dad spying on me? Okay, one more time. Okay, so if that was easy for you, then now do the same thing, trying not to look at the ball, okay? So that would be really ideal if you couldn't look at the ball and then go like that. Anyway, but if you can't, then just carry on doing what we did before by getting the motion. Oh, hello, Ringley. Hello, sweet kitty cat. I haven't seen you for a very long time. Anyway, so we're going to do that again. Ringley, don't get scared by the basketball noise, okay? Good girl. Okay, so we're just going to be doing that. And looking forward. And stop. And looking forward. And at the same time, keeping your eye on the ball. You guys carry on doing that. I need to let my cat into the house. Hello, my sweet little unicorn. All right then. Okay, so we're going to be doing that. Carry on doing that, okay? Keeping your eyes forward and back again. All the time keeping your eyes forward. But if you start to talk to the devil, if you start to feel out of control when you're looking forward and the ball, look straight at the ball and tell yourself, and it's good to have a rhythm like 1, 1, 1, or 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, or 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Really, mine is 1, 1, 1, and when I'm bouncing, usually when I'm practicing, I just think of that rhythm. Look forward and 1, 1, 1. Or also you can go up, down, up, down, up, down, or something, down, up, up. Really, you guys can develop your own rhythm. So we're just going to be doing that one more time. So looking forward, keeping your attention, being aware of around you and of the ball. One more time. Okay. Have a quick little rest. So now, well, during the rest, I suppose we don't really have to run. So now, you're just going to be practicing your throwing motions. Okay? So for this, we won't be needing the ball. So you're just going to be, so there are various ways of throwing. You can throw like this from your chest out. You can throw from your shoulder out, which is what I usually do. Or I usually go like that. Or like that, really. There's lots of ways. You can throw up and that way, like that. I sometimes do that, really. I do all ways. Or you can go, some people, it's very hard to do this. You bounce it really hard and it goes up and in the net thing. So yeah, anyway, so we're going to be practicing that now. Bally, just stay there, okay? So yeah, just going to be practicing. I'm going to be practicing the one that I usually use, which is throwing. So it's kind of like this movement. So imagine right now you're pushing an invisible enemy, kind of like, get out of my way. So I'm just going to be doing that. Sometimes when I can't concentrate on my basketball things, imagine the basketball is the face and the head of your enemy, and if you get it through the goal, your enemy will keep away from you and will be under your command. I know that usually helps with me, but the truth is right now I don't have any enemies because everyone there. One of the girls from my class, she's nice now. Ew, oh, oops. Just be careful not to squish wood lice, okay? Okay, sorry. Curled up into a ball and then I squished it. Oops. Anyway, so we're just going to be carrying on practicing our moves. Oh no. Okay. So just carry on practicing. You can practice various. It's also good to, from the chest out, chest out, chest out. So we're just going to be doing that. Kind of like a dance. Out, out, chest out, chest out, 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 chest out, chest out. So it's kind of like that. Okay, so now we're going to grab our basketball. And right now, if you guys haven't seen the video, which is of making the basketball hoop, then I don't really know what you can do. You can maybe you can just carry on doing that, and if not, actually no, carry on doing the thing about looking forward and like that, okay? Because the truth is, I found that it's really, really important that you know how to not look at the ball and be aware of your surrounding. Because, for example, if you're in the middle of a game, there's one team, which is your team, the other team is the enemy, and basically you have to be looking at the ball when you have it, and you can't see the other team players from the enemy side, the other team coming towards you because you're focusing on the ball. So that is good, but that's more or less in the practice. So it's quite good to be able to not look at the ball, be aware of your surroundings and bounce at the same time, because it's kind of like you're looking forward and around and you can kind of still see the ball. I don't know if you guys have that, but it's really helpful. So we're just going to be trying that, okay? So looking forward, looking around. So sometimes you go like that and then you go too far in. So you need to be aware of keeping it in the same place if you can. So at first you can like watch the place. Maybe you can draw a circle with your charcoal on your floor if you want. And then, because it comes off with water very easily, if your parents let you. That's what I did in my bedroom. My bedroom is full of basketball champions and horse riding champions. I love horses and basketball. So, anyway, yeah. So we're just going to do that a few more times. And I'm going to be doing this every 3 days. Every 3 days. So today, in 3 days, rest. Another one, 3 days rest, and another one, okay? But in the 3 days, well, rest, not really rest, I'm going to be doing the other things, really. And so, basically, if you just carry on doing that for a while. And now, you can, like, look at a place where you want to throw it, and then throw it there, okay? So, basically, imagine you're in a game, and there's the thing, so basically, it's kind of like imagining, okay? So do that a few times. Okay, so if it escapes, it doesn't matter. And now I'm going to teach you how to, very quickly, this is the last thing, how to go under your leg, okay? Like that. So, it's very easy, okay? So, it has to be down. You can't go like that. And when it goes up, you're like, up and then down, because that, basically, oops. Oh my God, my mum's going to kill me. Sorry, Planty. Don't tell my mum. Anyway, so this is the last thing. I'm going to be showing you how to, wait, I just said that, didn't I? Anyway, so you go down and around. So basically, at the same time, once, as soon as it hits the floor, over. Okay? So basically, so let's just do it without the ball for now. So it's going to be going, okay? As if you're throwing something under your leg. Okay? So now we're going to try with the ball. Throwing the ball under your leg. Throwing the ball. Throwing the ball. Throwing the ball. So, yeah, that's probably about it. So I hope you enjoyed this, and I will be back in 3 days, and in those 3 days, I'll be doing other videos. Anyway, so really, guys, I can do workouts about anything, like tips of horse riding, ballet workout. Well, I can do football workout, but I'm not the best at football, so I'm not really advising that. But really, you guys can comment about anything really you want, and I'll try to do that. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this. Bye!